Midnight Hope. Ever wondered which personal finance app truly stands out in 2026? Today, we're going to build a clear picture of the top tools available so you can make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the best personal finance app for your needs. 030, why this matters. Why does this matter? Well, managing your finances effectively can save you thousands of dollars each year. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that helps you track expenses, plan budgets, and even invest wisely. That's the power of a good personal finance app. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? 130 prerequisites. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: smartphone or tablet, access to your bank accounts, and a willingness to take control of your financial future. No prior experience required, just a desire to improve your money management skills. 2 o'clock, step by step. Let's start with Mint, one of the most popular personal finance apps. Mint allows you to link all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments in one place. It automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money goes. 230, but Mint isn't just about tracking expenses. It also offers budgeting tools, credit score monitoring, and even investment track. You can set financial goals and receive personalized advice based on your spending habits. 3 o'clock, next up. Let's talk about an app you need a budget. YNAB takes a different approach by focusing on zero-based budget. This means every dollar you earn has a job, whether it's paying bills, saving for a goal, or covering daily expenses. 730, engaging with the community, can provide valuable insights and help you maximize the benefits of the app. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, there's always something new to learn from fellow users. 8 o'clock, but the real surprise is coming. Let's talk about AI-powered features. Some personal finance apps use artificial intelligence to provide personalized financial advice. For instance, Mint's AI can analyze your spending patterns and suggest ways to save money. 830, this AI-driven advice can help you make better financial decisions and reach your goals fast. Similarly, Personal Capital uses AI to optimize your investment portfolio and provide tax-saving strategies. Embracing these AI features can give you a competitive edge in managing your finances. 9 o'clock by now, you should have a clear idea of which personal finance app suits your needs best. Remember, the key is to find an app that aligns with your financial goals and makes managing your money effortless. 930, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier. If you like this, watch our upcoming video on the best ETFs for 2026. Don't miss out on valuable financial insights. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.